Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, yeah, thank you, man. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, man. I know I'm trying, but yeah, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Yeah, I'm just being a human. I'm just trying my fucking best, man. You know, most of the time anyway. I don't know. Sometimes maybe I'm even not. But yeah, I think I've just always felt so much pressure, man. I've always felt so much pressure to get it right. You better fucking get it right.